What is up everyone, this is Steve Never's channel, and in this quick tutorial we will fix incoming calls not showing on display in Realme Narzo 30 or Narzo 30A problem. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for my latest videos. So if you are facing incoming calls not showing on display problem in Realme Narzo 30 or Narzo 30A, so first of all just open settings, then go to call settings and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.